What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I will be making some banana pudding pie, and you're saying to yourself, like, well, is it banana pudding or is it pie? Well, it's both, Big Daddy, because it's a banana pudding that you put in a pie crust that's going to be wonderful. And when I'm talking about bananas, I'm not talking about them ones that was coming downstairs in them pajamas. What? I don't want to see your banana. So, let's go ahead and the first thing that we need to do, go make banana pudding pie. I got to have that pie crust. And today, I wasn't messing with the Keebler elf himself because too high dollar for your boy. I went ahead and got that old cheapo, can be good old, just a graham cracker crust to make it delicioso. So, once we've got our crust, we need to go ahead and cut our bananas because we're going to kind of make this like a banana pudding pie. And you know, I went to try to get, because I know that he loves banana pudding, I went to try to borrow some from old Angry Grandpa. You know what he told me?
You ain't getting that mine. My favorite dessert in the world.
I know.
I love banana pudding. Oh, my.
Damn, never mind. So, we're going to make it ourselves. Let's go ahead and get our banana. Let me show you my banana. Look at it. Ooh, so, let's go ahead and take that. And we're going to cut it up into just little slices. Now, we're going to line the bottom of our crust with our slices there, me boy, and make it look good. So, once you got that done, let's go ahead and get some banana pudding. So, banana pudding comes in the box. All you got to do is read the directions on the back. Now, something that I'm going to tell you, because it's something I kind of flunked the dunk on, if you will. So, it's like NBA Jam out there, and I wasn't jamming. You know, on the back of it, it tells you, well, this one here is for the pudding itself, and if you're going to use it as a pie filling, well, here's this, and it's a little less milk. One, I think, is 2 cups, and one is like 1 1/3. I mean, they're doing fractions like I'm Einstein or somebody. So, I went ahead and made the one for the pudding, and I've got to say that it didn't really set up as good as it could have. So, make sure you read them directions, or you're going to be in summer school all summer, and you know smoking ain't allowed in school, so I ain't going to be there. So, let's go ahead and get our bananas. We got them in there. Let's get our pudding made. Stir it up, stir it up, stir it up, and you're going to say to yourself, like, oh, it's not getting thick, it's not getting thick. How long am I supposed to stir this? You're going to be standing there saying, I got time for this shit. Well, you better have time, because you need to stir. And the thing about it is, you stir for a while, it may not be the consistency you want to. Stand back, Jack. Why don't you go and, I don't know, go sing I Touch Myself by the Divinyls, but don't do it because we need our hands clean. And that pudding's going to set up, and once it does, we are going to go ahead and dump it over our nanners, aren't we? So, dump that pudding pie, watch out, because you know who's around the corner now. Let's go ahead and put the pudding on top, and now I would like some lovely whipped cream. Now, you can go ahead and put your pie in the fridge for a little bit and let it set up before you put your cream on top, but you know me, buddy, I ain't got time for the jet, so I'll put the cream on straight away. Put that cream on thick and heavy, lovely, lovely. So, and we're going to spread it out. It's good, good, good. And the last thing that we're going to do, just to add a little love to our love life, let's get some vanilla wafers. And I was thinking, man, I ain't had a vanilla wafer since I was back there watching Face on Nick Jr. So, let's go ahead and get our vanilla wafers, or vanilla wafers, or what are they, out of work? Let's go. Oh, I'm about to have to walk off on that one. Let's go ahead and get our vanilla cookies. How about we say that? Crush them up, put them on top of here. Bye there, Daddy. And now, need to let it sit in the fridge. Like I said, mine really kind of had a hell of a time sitting up. I mean, I almost had time to watch the Lord of the Rings trilogy while this shit was going on. Is it still a trilogy? I don't know. I never did watch them anyway. I'm a Star Wars man myself. So, I put this in there, and man, honestly, I let it sit overnight, and it still wasn't quite right because I didn't follow directions. But if you run into the problem that I did, I kind of put mine in the freezer. It does help. Just don't leave it in there too long because you're going to have a banana pudding popsicle. So, we ain't got that. We got this lovely tonight, and I'm ready for a sight and a big old bite of this banana pudding pie right now. So, alright, buddy, the time has come. The banana pudding pie is done, and I'm having that first bite for me lovely self, and I'm hoping there's a little hidden banana in here, and I bet there is. And there sure was. Ooh, that is a banana cream dream, if you know what I'm talking about. You know, that banana pudding is just a classic childhood taste. That and the wafer. And then the whipped cream. Everybody loves whipped cream. So, it's just so lovely. It's got that banana tang, that crunch, and that sweet from that vanilla. And your healthy little bananas. You can say, you know, I had about 4 bananas the other day. I'm being healthy. And then we're in this. So, can't beat that. And I want to thank you for beating it on over here to watch another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, make sure that you also join my Patreon for all exclusive content that you can't see on. Yeah, now, something else you ain't going to see on here. Me eating this and about 5 more slices, maybe the whole damn thing, because this is good. So, see yourself out if you would. Yeah. How you doing?